Hello, dear students. Today I will start a chapter, and the chapter name is crop production. This is the part 1 of crop production chapter. So let's start. As you can see in this picture, these all are living organisms. Do you know from where does they obtain their food? Yes, you are right. They can obtain their food either from the plants or from the animals. Do you know how human beings get their food from the plants? I will tell you today. They will obtain their food with the help of agriculture practices. Now, the question arises, what does agriculture means? The word agriculture is come from Latin words, and it is made up of two Latin words, ager and the cultura. Ager means field or land, and the cultura means cultivation.
Field. The land where plants are grown on a large scale is called field. फील्ड उस स्थान को कहते हैं जहाँ पौधों को उगाया जाता है एक बहुत बड़े स्केल पे, पैमाने पे। वह कहलाता है खेत। नाउ हाउ कैन वी डिफाइन द एग्रीकल्चर? The branch of science that deals with growing plants and raising livestock for human use is called agriculture. It means that agriculture is the branch of science, one of the part of a science.
And it tells about growing plant, means how plant will grow, which type of soil is important for the plants. Everything is included in the agriculture. Okay, as well as it also talks about livestock. It also increases. Agriculture also includes raising livestock. It means that it also increases the amount of farm animals. Okay, and we all know that the farm animals gives us benefit. For example, we can see here cow that are raised on a farm. It will give us milk as well as the meat also. Now see here in the picture. We can see here in this picture all the plants are of same kind. Yes, and you can also see that these plants are arranged in a large scale. So they are called as crop. We can define crop like this. When plants of the same kind are grown in a field on a large scale, they are called crop. जब एक ही समान पौधों खेतों में बहुत ही लार्ज पैमाने पर उगाया जाता है तो वह क्रॉप कहलाता है. नेक्स्ट इज कल्टिवेटेड प्लांट. प्लांट्स ग्रोन बाय द फार्मर इज नोन एज कल्टिवेटेड प्लांट. खेतों में किसानों के द्वारा जो पौधे उगाए जाते हैं वे कल्टिवेटेड प्लांट्स कहलाते हैं. Okay, the cultivated words come from the cultivation. So it's totally depend upon the farm wishes. Now in the field you can also see that there are some plants which are not grown by the farmers. That type of plants are come under in the wild plants. What is wild plants? Plants which grow in the nature and unattended by humans are called wild plants. Next is produce. The product which is obtained from a crop is called produce. Yes. Now we know all about crops, and we all know that crop is a type of a plant variety, and from the plants we get some food, right? So these type of fruits are or the vegetables are known as products. Okay, as you can see in this picture, there are varieties of products like potato, carrot, grains. So these are known as products. We can also classify the crop plants on the basis of first product obtained by the plants means which type of product that plants will give, or we can classify on the basis of the season in which they grow. So let's see. First classification, crop plants on the basis of products obtained. The products which we can obtain from the plants are grain crops like rice and wheat. Second one is pulse crop, gram, pea. Third, oil seed crops like mustard. Fourth, fiber crops. Fifth, root crops, and so on. So here you can see that grain, anaj, pulse, dal, oil seeds like oil we can say, fiber, reshe, roots, jad, and tuber crops. These all are the products of the plant. They are the parts of the plant which are eatable in nature. So these will come under in the product obtained by the crop plants classification. Now the next one is on the basis of the season. Plants on the basis of the season in which they grow can be classified into again two categories, Rabi crops and Kharif crops. So first we will see about the Rabi crops. It's very simple. Rabi crops are grown in the winter time. That's why they are also known as winter season crops. But it is harvested in March and April. Harvested means काटा जाता है उसको खेतों से, and that process will be in the March. An example you can see in the screen. It is given wheat, mustard, pea, barley. These are the examples. Next is Kharif crops. Kharif crops grown in June or July. That's why it is also known as summer crops. But they are harvested by September or October. It means that खरीफ क्रॉप्स को हम जून और जुलाई में उगाते हैं और इसको काटते हैं सितंबर और अक्टूबर में. That's why they are also known as summer season crops. An example you can see in the screen is given rice, maize, cotton, soya beans. These are the examples of Kharif crops. So in this session, till this much only, and in the next session I will tell you more about the crop production. Thank you. Have a nice day.